Assalamu alaikum. It is an honor for us and our school, Government Boys High School too, Matli, to be a part of STEAM Muqablo. I am thrilled to have participated in the Teachers Game Challenge competition. I designed a mathematics game that focuses on factorization, covering key concepts such as HCF, LCM, multiplication tables, and squares of numbers. Students can engage with the game by moving strips horizontally and vertically to discover factors and explore these mathematical concepts. I am thankful to our respected district education officer, Sir Raja Nisar Memon, and his team for organizing the successful STEAM Muqablo District Round program. Thank you.
STEAM 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 Hyderabad region and STEAM, we all are in the same team. STEAM STEAM STEAM